They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Yeah.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Keymee K. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So I'm going to be doing a mommy makeover video. This was done for Mother's Day. I know it is way overdue. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this video done. So I did start out with using water and olive oil to lay the hair down. And then I am going to be using my lace wig adhesive, which you can purchase down below, just to put on the cap, because I do want this cap to last for a couple of days. Once that lace has dried, we do cut off the excess cap, and then I do apply the IlMakiage Foundation. I don't know the shade, but I will leave everything used down below in the description box below. So this, which is perfect for light and medium brown tone skins. So there's two combs in the front, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then like I said, the lace is going to be like a light transparent lace, so it is good for all skin tones. Starting out, I'm going to be applying skin guard, and then I'm going to go in back with that lace glue. I did use 3 layers for the entire front. You do want to wait in between layers to let that glue kind of turn clear, and then apply your next coat. After the glue has dried down, I am going to put this wig down. I did use the IlMakiage Foundation underneath the wig as well. After that, I'm just going to be using my blow dryer on medium cool air until it has gotten a little bit dry, just enough so that we can cut the lace off. And I am using my eyebrow razor to do so. And then after that has been cut, I am finally going to tie it down, and we're going to officially kind of let this kind of sink into the skin for a little bit. While that is melting, I did go ahead and curl this unit. I just used a I want to say it was a 1-inch curling iron that you can buy from Walmart. I did just use that just to put some curls in the hair. For the front, I put very little baby hairs. I didn't want to put too much, and then my mama, she doesn't kind of like that kind of thing, so I just put them very slightly. I did not do too much for baby hairs, and then I tried to kind of keep the sideburn basically to look kind of natural, not too much. So that was pretty it for the hair. So now we're moving on to makeup. I did use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso to put on the eyebrows, and then we're going to be moving on to skin. I did use the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer to moisturize the skin before we do apply our foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using that same IlMakiage Foundation. She is in love with that foundation. I didn't use too much because I did want the skin to come through. My mama, she kind of likes it to be natural, like not too much on the makeup, so I did just keep it so that you can kind of see the skin. And for concealer, I use a L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the color Pecan. I love this concealer so much. This one is actually a full coverage concealer, so I might next time use something, you know, not so much full coverage, but she did still end up liking it. For the powder, I did use the Maybelline Fitme powder in shade 10 for light and 20 light. I was using the 10 only in the corners of the eyes, and then I used the 20 everywhere else that I applied the concealer. For the contour, I did use my black Radiance shade Sculpt. I put that along the hairline, on the cheekbones, and then also on the eyes. And then I'm going to be taking this brown. It's out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's the Soft Glam palette. I just took a brown out of there just to kind of do like a winged liner, but with a brown. And then I did kind of smoke it out just a little bit. For liner, I'm actually using the Allure magnetic lashes liner, and then we're going to be applying those magnetic lashes on top. For blush, I use a Juvia's Place blush in the color Tau. It's like a very peachy blush, but it's very, very pretty, almost skin-like. And then I went back in with that brown shade that I used to put on the eyes, just to go ahead and put on the bottom. For lips, I don't remember what the lips were, but after that we did just use some Morphe Luminous setting spray to go ahead and set the face.
Oh, no ma'am.
And she was standing right here, y'all, trying to take my setting spray.
Ma'am.
So yeah, that is going to be it for this hair and makeup tutorial. I do want to say thank you to Rose for Hair for sending me out this bouquet. They are a New York based rose brand, and they do specialize in designing luxury flower bouquets that are handpicked, and these last for a year. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and you can get them in a round square shaped velvet box that come in 9, 16, or 36, and they do have different colors. I did give these to my mom for Mother's Day, but these are perfect for any special occasion, and they last all year. So yeah, I will leave the links down below where you can purchase them at. Like I said, there is a coupon code that you can use. Thank you to Rose Forever again for sending me out these roses.